peeps, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I'm going to be showing you what all I carry in my travel bag or in my travel handbag, and more importantly I'm going to show you how I organize my stuff in my travel bag, because I don't want to scavenge into my bag rummaging the stuff if I have to find my phone or my charger or my hand sanitizer or any stuff like that, and I'm like just scavenging into the bag. So I organize my travel handbag, and that has made my life so simple. So let's quickly dive into my travel handbag. So guys, this is the travel bag that I have started carrying lately. Up till now I used to carry a shoulder bag, like an oversized shoulder bag, but then ever since I discovered this backpack, I thought it's such a practical option because one, it's so compact, two, because it's a shoulder bag, it's a backpack, sorry, you can just put it on your shoulders and then your hands are free for the rest of the job, and also it distributes the weight evenly on both your shoulders. So this is what I've started carrying lately. This one is from Forever New, and it's a very cute and a very sturdy yet at the same time stylish looking backpack, which I carry as my travel bag. Now this bag, I'll just show you guys, it has this flap, and then it has like a button which opens into this big compartment inside. It also has a pocket, like a zipper like this, and then it also has some small pockets. I don't know if you guys can see those. I've already just put my stuff in it. It has those small kind of sections or pockets wherein you can just put your phone or a pen or things like that. Apart from that, in this particular handbag or a backpack, you have another compartment which opens like this, and this is an extra space that they have given you. So I'm just going to open it and show you what all I have. And by the way guys, I'm traveling tomorrow to Jaipur. That's where my parents stay. I'm pretty excited because I haven't met them up till now during the summer holidays. I was just being home, so I'm going and meeting them, and I'm really excited about it. So let me quickly show you what all I have. So the first thing is how I organize it. Now as you guys can see, everything is in separate pouches or separate kits, because as I said, I don't want to scavenge for my stuff. So first thing which I'm going to show you is let's take out this pouch. It's a very cute pouch, and you will be surprised. This is my medical kit, because I don't like to carry medicines, but then because I have my son with me, and traveling is one time where the probability of getting infections and falling sick is rather high, so you have to be prepared. So these are all SOS medicines, so I just carry the most basic SOS medicine. So I have some medicines for my son and a couple of like stomach infection and headache and fever, cold and cough kind of medicines. So I just carry those in this bag. Then I have another very cute pouch, and any guesses? I think no wonder. This is my cute little makeup pouch. Now this is not my main makeup kit which I carry when I travel. That main makeup stuff is in a separate kit in the main luggage. This is what I carry with myself when I'm traveling, when I'm kind of cruising. So this pouch is from Forever 21. I love it because it's pink and it's like kitty looking cute pouch. So this is my just a handful of very basic stuff which I carry when I travel. I don't put makeup when I'm traveling. I only put my moisturizer or sunscreen, a little bit of compact to just kind of look fresh, and just a little bit stuff. So just let me quickly show you what I carry. So I just carry one compact. This is the Maybelline Super Fresh White Super Fresh Compact. The second thing which I carry is a small perfume. So this is just like a very small compact kind of a deodorant. It's Body Fantasy Signature. The fragrance is insane guys. I just love it. It's in the Japanese cherry blossom fragrance. Oh my god, it's so good. I mean, as an individual, I love fragrances. I have such a beautiful collection of perfumes and fragrances because I just love fragrances. Third thing is comb, which I think barely use, so I just carry a comb. I also carry moisturizer or maybe sunscreen, but I don't want to carry very bulky tubes or containers, so I just prefer to carry these pouches. This is the Lotus this is the Lotus sunscreen sunblock basically, and I just like to carry these because I find them very handy. They are very portable and they just don't take any space at all. Then I always like to carry a lip balm. because you tend to feel dry, especially when you're traveling in AC through and through, so you feel dry. So I just carry a lip balm. I carry a kohl pencil because I always keep my kohl pencil on, otherwise I look as if I have been ill for the past so many decades. So I always carry a kohl pencil. And one product, and this is the only, I would say, color that I use on my face when I'm traveling, and this is this product. It's Life. This product is Life, guys. It's the Body Shop lip and cheek tint. They have it in two variants. So this is how this one looks like. It's the Body Shop lip and cheek tint. It looks very intense red, but it gives such a beautiful tinted color on your cheeks and your lips, and gives such a healthy flush and glow on your cheeks. I just put a little bit of this on my cheeks and a little bit of this on my lips, and there is nothing over the board, over the top, yet there is some color on your face, and it just lifts your face like anything. So this product, as I said, it is literally Life. I always have it. I have been using it for so many years, so I always carry it in my travel bag. So this is my makeup kit. Then of course I have my clutch, my wallet basically. This one is also pretty cute. It's from Forever New, and I just keep a couple of cards, a debit or credit card, and some cash, definitely an ID like a PAN card or a license. And I do keep change, so you must keep some change like 10, 20, 50, 100 denomination currency, which is very important when you travel. So that's my wallet. Next thing that I have is a pair of sunglasses. Now again, I am very fond of different kind of sunglasses, so I normally don't carry just one pair of sunglasses. So I normally carry 3-4 of them whenever I'm traveling. So but one of the sunglasses is always in my travel bag, and if I have to carry more like this, so what I do is I just put all of them together in a pouch. So as you can see, there are some 3-4 different sunglasses in this pouch, and this pouch will go in my main luggage, not in my travel bag. My travel bag will only have one pair of sunglasses. Next thing, needless to say, is my phone and power bank, and then of course the phone charger, phone. So this is what I have in the main big compartment, and now I'm just going to show you what I have in this compartment below. Now this compartment, I call it my hygiene compartment. I use the word hygiene because my son is with me, and I have to kind of inculcate the habit of hygiene in him, and I'm like a neat freak person. I have this very freakish tendencies that my hands have to be always clean and smell good, and my son and my husband's hands should also be clean and smelling good all the time. So this is something which I practically use every 5 to 10 minutes when I travel. So what all I have in this is, now this I haven't really put it in a kit because it was difficult to kind of thrust a kit into it. So what I carry is one mosquito repellent, especially for my son. Then the second thing which I carry is definitely a hand sanitizer. Now this one is for my son, and I carry another one for myself and my husband. So I carry this one for my son because it's mild, yet at the same time it's effective. And otherwise, guys, hand sanitizers have alcohols, which is not very good, especially for kids. So I just have this separate one for my son. And then I always carry a hand wash. So this one is from Crabtree and Evelyn. I don't find carrying soap bars as a practical option at all, because once you unwrap it and you use it, I mean, how can you store a used soap bar in your bag? So that is totally out for me. Paper soap is another good option. It also, just don't literally take any space. Otherwise, I just like to carry a small compact hand wash with myself. And then this is something really important. These are wet wipes, so I use it all the time to kind of clean my as well as my family's hands. And the good thing about it is that it's wet, so it just takes away the oil, the grime, the food and smell, everything out from your hands, leaving them very fresh and smell odor free. This is in the cucumber flavor. It's by Beauty Formulas, available at New You. And ladies, this is for you. You must have this product with you. These are the intimate wipes. So no matter how much we avoid using public toilets, at times you have to use public toilets, but then I insist, because there is a high scope of infection, so you must carry intimate wipes. So you use them after you're done with the ritual. So you use them to clean your private parts, and this really keeps the bacteria and other sort of infection at bay. So I always carry these feminine intimate hygiene wipes. These are also from Beauty Formula, available at New You. There is one more thing which I'm not having right now, but I will put it in my travel bag, and that's a spray. It's like a seat spray. The European seats or the Indian seats in the toilets, you just spray the seats with that spray, and it kind of disinfects the seat, and then you can like sit on it and conduct the ritual. I'm kind of freakish, but hygiene is the most important thing, guys. So I think that's about it, guys. Yeah, one more thing I want to share with you guys. If I am on a longer journey, so what I do is, being so fond of makeup, I just prefer to carry a makeup kit with me. This one is from Clinique, and I love this makeup kit. I will just show it to you guys how it looks. So this is the top compartment. It has a mascara, it has beautiful lip shades from light nude to dark shades. Then it's such a well thought makeup kit that they have designed. It has such beautiful shades of eyeshadows, a highlighter shade, a lid shade, and then two matte brown shades for contouring and intensifying your outer corners. So though it's a travel compact size kit, but it's very well thought before designing. And then it has a compact and a very beautiful nude kind of blush with a blush brush, a sponge applicator, and a brush for the eyeshadows, and a lip brush as well. And of course it has a mirror, so it just kind of slides in, closes like this. It's from Clinique. I got this from Paris and I absolutely love it, but this time I'm not carrying it because Jaipur is not that far off. But if I travel on a longer journey, I always carry this with me in my travel bag. So guys, this is the travel bag essentials in my case, and this is how I organize my stuff. And I hope you guys liked it and found it informative and useful. So if you like this video, show it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, leave your comments. Until we meet next time, stay safe, stay happy, stay beautiful, stay hygienic, and love you all. Take care. Bye bye.